Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the SCP command, otherwise known as secure copy. The purpose of secure copy is to copy files between hosts via OpenSSH. More specifically, you can use secure copy to copy a file from a local host to a remote host, from a remote host to a local host, or from a remote host to another remote host. The structure of the command will differ based on your use of the command. We'll go over a few examples to help get you started. In the first example, we will copy a file from our local machine to a remote host. To transfer a file from our local host, host A, to our remote host, host B, we will begin by typing SCP, the name of our file, the user that we will use, the name of our host, and the path that we will transfer the file to. After providing our password, our file will be transferred to our remote host, host B. We can see if the transfer was successful by typing ls on host B, and we can cat the file and see that the file was actually host A's file. In the second example, we will copy a file from a remote host to our local host. To transfer a file from our remote host, host B, to our local host, host A, we begin by typing SCP, the name of our user, the name of our remote host, the path of the source file, and the path of the destination directory. After providing our password, our file will be transferred from the remote host, host B, to our local host, host A. In our last example, we will copy a file from a remote host to another remote host. To transfer a file from a remote host, host C, to another remote host, host B, from our local host, host A, we begin by typing SCP, our host C username, the source host name, the path of the source file, our host B username, the destination host name, and the destination path. We can use the ls command to view that the file was successfully transferred. If you wish to copy all the files of a directory, you can use a wildcard or the recursive option. And that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.